They call it the powerhouse of the cell. That's true, but it's only the start. Mitochondria. They're more than tiny batteries. They're chemical reactors, microscopic power plants, turning fuel into energy that your body can actually use. Their product, ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Every blink, every breath, every heartbeat, it all runs on it. To make ATP, mitochondria burn glucose with oxygen, more like a controlled fire than a spark. For every glucose molecule, they can produce up to 36 ATP molecules. It's efficient, but the sheer volume, that is what's astonishing. The average adult turns over their entire body weight in ATP every single day. About 130 pounds or 59 kilograms made, used, and recycled in 24 hours. Did you know, though, that mitochondria were not always ours? This is where it gets really interesting. Roughly 2 billion years ago, they were free-floating bacteria, independent, self-replicating, having a good time. Then one day, one of them got swallowed by a larger cell, and it wasn't digested. It stuck around, and that partnership, one providing energy and the other offering protection, it became permanent. That process is called endosymbiosis, and you can still see the evidence. Mitochondria carry their own DNA, which is 37 genes. They're completely separate from the roughly 20,000 found in your nucleus. You only inherit mitochondrial DNA from your mother. Sperm mitochondria are usually destroyed after fertilization, making this DNA a reliable record of your maternal lineage, passed down unchanged for generations. But energy isn't their only job. Mitochondria help regulate heat. They buffer calcium, manage cell death, and even respond to infection. When they start breaking down, the effects, they can be severe, linked to disease like Parkinson's, some forms of cancer, diabetes, and even heart failure. Many scientists believe that the aging process itself is tied to the gradual decline of mitochondrial function, and they do show up in bulk where it matters most. A typical muscle cell may contain hundreds, but a heart cell? Thousands. In fact, up to 40% of the interior volume of heart muscle is nothing but mitochondria, working nonstop inside those cells to keep your heart beating. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember, it's not just for your lungs. It's for those ancient bacterial stowaways that are still inside you, generating every moment of energy that life demands. This episode was inspired by longtime listener and supporter of the podcast, Dr. Igo. These are Interesting Things with JC.